Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be making brown sugar bobas, and it's very easy. It only contains 3 ingredients, and there's not going to be any like chemicals or anything. It's going to be all natural, and it's going to be really good. See guys, look. See, this includes Guar, G-U-A-R gum, sodium diacetate, sodium dihydroacetate. I know you guys are probably missing kungfu tea and coco and all those other places too, and I am too. So I'm going to show you an easy way to make it, but a day before you want to have your tea prepared. So I basically chose green tea, and I soaked it in a cup of hot water with 1 tea bag for about like 5 minutes, and then I put it in the fridge and left the tea bag in for overnight, and then that's pretty much it. It's that simple. Alright guys, here's our ingredients. We got 4 tablespoons of tapioca starch, but I know probably you guys don't have tapioca starch, so use 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. They're literally the same thing. It'll give you the same chewy texture. Alright, next off, we got 2 tablespoons, oh my god, 2 tablespoons of water. And we got 2 tablespoons of, well, I'm gonna scoop 2 tablespoons of brown sugar from that. But you want dark brown sugar, or you could use light brown sugar and add some molasses to it, because the dark brown sugar contains more like caramel flavor, which is what brown sugar boba is. And we also need more starch, so just leave around your starch bag, because when you knead the dough, you're gonna need it. LOL, need. Okay, so first off, we are gonna we're gonna heat up the water and mix in our brown sugar, because if your water's not hot enough and you mix in the tapioca starch, it's gonna turn into like oobleck. I figured that out like 5 times last time, okay? So yeah, let's go. Turn your heat on medium, and we are gonna throw in our water and brown sugar. Okay, got my 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, next step, we are gonna slowly add in our tapioca starch. Yeah, okay, we're gonna need this now. Let's go. Let's pour the dough out. Okay, and we are gonna knead this. And we are gonna knead this dough until it's smooth. So just do it for around 2 minutes. Okay, our dough is done. I'm gonna split this into 2 pieces so it's easier to work with. Just cover it, just like that. Put a little bit of starch on it. Okay, this is about, say about a 1/4 inch diameter. We are gonna cut this in small chunks. So I'm gonna do about 1/4 inch pieces. Now we are just gonna roll them out. Oh, look, this nice ball. Well, let's do this one now. Just gonna roll it without starch this time. Okay, all of our balls are done. You're gonna want a pot of water, and we're gonna boil them for 15 minutes, and then let them simmer for 3 minutes. Let's add our bubble tea balls. cook for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, we have about 3 minutes left. We are gonna start making our syrup. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Tablespoon. Just mix. Look how rich this looks. Do this on medium-low for a minute until your thing is done. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, our timer's off. Let's just transfer in the boba. So let's just cook this for about, set a timer for 2 minutes. We're gonna cook this on medium heat. Stir it every like 10 seconds or so. Okay. Went off. Let's get our tea. Spoon. I got my glass cup. What we're gonna do is we are gonna add our boba in first. Just you want to glide it along the sides so you get the tiger stripes if you're doing it with milk, which I'm not because I'm lactose. Just like pour it even. Yes. You want the syrup to slide on the side. Okay. Got my boba in. Now I'm gonna wipe off the sides because it's let's get some fresh ice. I'm gonna fill it about halfway up. Alright, you know what? 3/4. Alright, I'm gonna grab my tea. Let's pour in the tea. Oh yes. Look at how nice this is. Look at the boba on the bottom. Nice. Now, if you're using milk, you might get the tiger stripe. I don't know if it'll work. Look at the final product. Alright, let's go taste test. Okay. Finally, at last, we have our bubble tea. Let's just stir it up. Okay, now let's try. Let me try to find a bubble for you. See this very chewy, just like from kungfu tea or coco. All right, I'll show you later. Let's try. Hey, definitely don't need to sweeten the tea because the syrup does trigger this a lot. Of course, we got our metal straw here. Trying to save the turtles. These bobas are hard to travel through, let's just say. They're flat discs!
Why did you scroll that?
I did! No! They were circular and they got smushed.
How?
With the ice.
Why'd you put ice in it?
Cause the bowl was hot.
Then you should have cooled it.
Or whatever. Well, that is it, guys. Please stick around and subscribe. Goodbye.